Malton is a pretty market town in North Yorkshire, England, 18 miles from the historic city of York. Every spring and summer it hosts a Food Lovers Festival, showcasing the best in local produce. It dates back from the medieval times and has lots of narrow streets, including the 18th century shambles. Around the marketplace and through the streets you'll find over 100 artisan stalls selling and showcasing delicious street food and drink. Malton Food Lovers Festival is free to enter and you'll find over 100 stalls and vendors throughout the streets. Malton is a small English town with a big reputation. Getting there is easy. Malton Food Lovers Festival is free to enter. There are designated festival park and ride car parks operating. The park and ride service has a regular shuttle bus service direct to the event entrance or just a very short 15-minute walk away. Festival bar and live music. Talks and demos by local chefs and lots of food and drink tastings.